Here's how to restore the old Roblox cursor. First of all, open the search bar and type in Roblox. Then right-click on the Roblox player and select Open File Location. In the windows that appears, right-click on the Roblox player and again select Open File Location. This will take you to the Roblox player's file folder. Go ahead and open the folder of content. Then open the textures folder. Scroll down and find the file named Arrow Cursor and Arrow Far Cursor. Copy these two files, right-click on it and select Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then scroll up and open the cursors folder and open the keyboard mouse folder. Now delete all the files in this folder except the IBM cursors.png and paste the old cursor files that you copied earlier and right-click on it and select Paste or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard and then restart your Roblox game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.